You keep losing your cables and they just won't stay in place? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Magtame magnetic stay cables, as well as a magnetic phone grip and stand. Look, they're cables with little magnets and stuff on them so they just won't fall off. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be opening these from Magtame right here. We got 3 different products. We've got 2 of their magnetic cables, and then also this magnetic phone grip and stand. So let's go ahead and open them up. First off, we're going to start with these 2 cables right here. It looks like they got really fast, high-speed charging right there. Very nice. That magnetic design. These packages look fantastic. We got one in black and one in white right here. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and open them up. One of the first things you see in the box is going to be this thank you card right here. Thanks for choosing us. Very nice. Cool, a little about us right there information. Very cool. So inside the box we have these 2 magnets. They've got sticky pads on them, so you'll just stick them to where you want them. And then guess what? Watch this, the cables are magnetic, right? So you'll be able to place this and then the cable will magnetize to it. So you'll never have to risk the idea of just dropping or losing your cable. Plug this into the wall right here or into your charger, and then with this end, you'll see, wow, it's super, super magnetic right there. That's so awesome. You'll just never lose these again. The cable itself is a USB-C to USB-C right here, but they make a bunch of different models. And just to show you, this is the white version right here, but this is a USB-C 2.0 to 3.0 right here, which is our USB-C and our standard one right here as well. So they make a bunch of different options. If you'll notice, the threading on these is fantastic. This thing looks super nice. It's very high quality. And this is how powerful that magnet is. Watch. That's crazy. Next on the list, we've got this magnetic phone grip and stand right here for Mag&Safes. So this thing looks super awesome right here. Very nice. It can be a stand, snap on and off, compatible. Wow, super cool. Let's open it up. So it looks like they're gonna give you a couple of different little sticky pads right here, and then our magnets, right? So you're getting 2 of these magnets. Super nice that they include 2 of them right here. Very, very cool. So you'll be able to pop this on and off of multiple phones. And then this is the stand right here itself, and just look, like, it's a powerful magnet for sure right there. That's awesome. So like I said, it's the idea you could take this magnet and stick it to the back of your phone or pretty much any device. If you want to put this on a Nintendo Switch, you could, and then you'll get this stand right here. And this thing feels really, really nice. I'm just being honest with you. This is a metal little stand right here. It's very high quality. Looks like we've got some good range on that. And it's the idea that this just pops off so you can turn it and twist it, do it however you need. So right there, very nice. So let's go ahead and install this and check the cables out. This is the Magtame Stay Cable USB-C to USB-C cable. Anti-drop magnetic holder. This is an easy to grab USB-C charger cable. No more dropped cords, saying goodbye to falling cables and messy desks. The Magtame 3.3 feet USB-C to C cable has a built-in magnetic cable in, so it's easy to snap on, designed to keep your charging cord always within reach. 60 watts of fast charging and stable data transfer. This C2C cable is 60 watts or 3 amps, and with the USB 2.0 data speeds, it can handle up to 480 megabits of speed. So that gives you fast charging and efficient data transmission. Premium braided and tangle-free durability, it's built to last. This Type-C cable is wrapped in high-quality nylon braiding, passing 20,000 plus bend test and 30 kilogram pull test. They make this in a bunch of different sizes, but they also make the USB-A to USB-C cable. The A to C cable also has a magnetic end on it as well, and in addition to this, handles 3 amps of fast charging, that's up to 27 watts, and USB 2.0 data transfer speeds. Again, that's 480 megabytes. It's also got the same braided nylon design, so again, it's had 20,000 bends and 30 kilograms of force. These cables are fantastic. They've got fast charging and fast data transfer. But Magtame also has the magnetic phone Kickstand. It's a 3-in-1 snap-on phone stand. It's a magnetic phone kickstand, a phone grip, and a phone holder, all in one. With the strong magnetic snap, it's easy on and easy off. It instantly snaps onto your Mag&Safe phone or magnetic case with a strong hold. Wireless charging friendly, no need to switch the wireless charging, just pop it off, and if you want to move it to another case, then just pop it on that case. With the adjustable phone stand, you can get 140 degree or 360 degree rotation, portrait, landscape, or grip mode. And it's super thin. It's about 0.08 inches to 0.018 inches. It's super lightweight and functions without all the bulk. Magtame, these products are awesome. It's always cool to see a company do multiple different styles of phone accessories and not just stick to one thing. So very awesome. Great job. This is our first time working with Magtame, and I gotta say, these things are awesome. I constantly will hook my phone up, and as soon as I take that plug off, the cable just disappears. This thing is awesome. It's just totally nice. Very nice. We want to give a huge shout out to Magtame for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.